Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money moves to help you take control of your finances. Today, we're diving into how to request a Wealthfront debit card. If you're already using Wealthfront for investing or cash management, adding a debit card can make accessing your funds super convenient and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Wealthfront account. If you don't, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're all set up, log in to your Wealthfront dashboard. You'll see a clean interface with options for investments, cash, and more. Now, navigate to the Cash Management or Debit Card section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Look for a button that says something like Request Debit Card or Get a Card. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to verify your details. Wealthfront prioritizes security, so they might ask for some basic information to confirm it's really you. Think ID verification or linking your phone number. After that, review the terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through them quickly to understand any fees or features. Once you're happy, hit Submit or Request Now. Congratulations! You've just requested your card. Wealthfront typically processes requests within a few business days, and your card will be mailed to the address on file. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or next steps. Pro tip: double-check that your mailing address is up to date in your account settings to avoid any delays. And there you have it. That's how you request a Wealthfront debit card in just a few simple steps. It's all about making your money work smarter for you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.